First thing, you have to make some sacrifices in the first 1 week or 2 weeks to get it ranked. Now, when you are doing that ranking thing, your price will be lower. So here its price is 799. Now, if I launch it, I'll make the launch price something like 699 or something like that. Plus, I will try to add some bundle. Okay? Try to add 1 or 2 bundle, because that will really take the increase the click-through rate of your ads, and the e-cost will be reduced a lot. Okay, even in the launch. In the launch period, try to do some search, find, buy. So what I do now is I basically create a group of people whom I can push that, okay, this is my product. For each day, I select 2 people for each day, and they will go and purchase this product by searching the main keyword. Now, when the product is new, I will not target very high search volume keywords. Now, for this product, there will be sellers that will target like bathroom organizer, but that is a very broad and huge search volume keyword. Okay, and for that keyword, there will be a lot of thousands of products which have a lot of thousands of reviews ranked. But for this kind of products where you have seen there is a lot of designs and customer have a lot of choice, you have to be very specific with the keyword. Now, 2-tier bathroom standing rack is actually a long tail keyword, and it may be good for you. Okay, just give that keyword to the person that is going to order. Ask them to order 2 products each day. Okay, now one person will order 1, the next person will order 1. Okay, so 2 orders per day from search, find, buy at the full price. No coupon codes will be given. Do not ask for reviews to them. Then alongside that, push reviews very high, because this will take like 100 to 150 products to just get ranked. And at 699, or no, this one has a more lesser price, 649. Okay, so you have to decide that the top seller has 699, this one has 649. So which price you want to launch? Okay, so 699 still, I think 699 or 649 will be a good price to launch with a bundle, and the PPC will be very hard. And try to get at least 5 to 6 reviews in the first 2-3 days of launching this product. And the first week sales, you may be at a loss. Okay, maximum times you will be at a loss. I target that first 2 weeks that will be at a loss, and I have to maintain the stock. Okay, I have to maintain the stock when I'm doing the launch, because suppose you have bought 100 units and you were targeting 10 sales a day, then you will be out of stock for a long period, because if you're not placing order on the first day of launch. Okay, so it is better if you're targeting this kind of product where the market is very saturated, launch with 300 to 400 units, where 100 to 200 units will be used for rank. The remaining 100 to 150 units will be used to make the profit and maintain the stock. And within the first week of launching this, you have to make the reorder. When you see you are getting 10-15 sales a day, you have to reorder, because you can't go out of stock.